Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So today I am back with a new video on VLookup, which is known as vertical lookup. So as you guys are familiar with Excel, as you might have heard a lot of people saying VLookup or HLookup in your industry or in your workplace. So I'll teach you how do you do a vertical lookup and get your expected output. So just look at the screen, guys. There is a table with customer ID, name, city, zip, phone number, and volume. Now, I don't know what is the value for volumes or output for volumes, but I do require this for my analysis. And this volume data is stored in another sheet or another workbook. How do I put the numbers or the output of volume in this same Excel sheet? You can either go to the sheet 1 and see 1 is 20, 1 is 20. You can do manually copy paste, right? But that is quite time consuming and time is very precious, no guys? So it's better to automate this process. So how do you automate this? I'll show you. We can do it via VLookup. Let's start, guys. So the syntax is quite easy. Equal to V. As you type in V, it will automatically give you a lot of options. And in the drop down, you can see there is something called VLookup. What does it say? Looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table and then returns a value in the same row from a column you specify. By default, the table must be sorted in ascending order. Okay. So you can understand by reading this. So let's start. V equal to VLookup. I'll see. Okay, before starting, I'll tell you what are the common parameters in which I can automate or join this table, or how can I get the volume from this table? So I should have a common parameter, right? See, guys, in the other sheet I have customer ID, and here also we have customer ID. So if we compare these two, and we can easily get the volume for this particular customer name and city, whose zip code and phone number is given. Let's start. VLookup customer ID, which is A2, comma, we'll go to that sheet. Like example, see the syntax, guys. VLookup lookup value. Lookup value is my customer ID first. Then I'll go to the table from where I will get the data, which is sheet 1. Is sheet 1. I'll just copy the table. I've copied the full table, right? Now what you do is comma your column number. Column number is 2. This is 1, first column, second column 2, and then comma 0. 0 is my approximate match. And then what you do, just drag the formulas down. You will find there are values which are showing as NA, 8, 9, 10. Why it is showing as NA? Because this table does not have 8, 9, 10. So you can handle this NA via a syntax called if error, which I will show you in the next video. Okay. In the next video, I'll show you an example of if error and how to resolve when you submit a report. Don't submit a report with this. It doesn't look nice. Just treat this, and you can treat this using 0 or anything X or dash, whatever. You can also hard code it, like right now it is formulated. You can just select this and hit select this, control, hit this, and copy your value. Just select this. What happened? Copy, do a Alt ESV and paste the values. Now you see you don't have what do you call formulas here. Now you can just simply hard code it. But I don't like hard coding it. Why I don't like hard coding it? Because imagine this is a small table, but when you have a table of like 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 rows, will you go and simply hard code all the error values? No, right? For that, we need to treat with a function called if error. Okay, I'll keep this as of now. In the next video, I'll teach you how to treat the values with if error. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you are liking the video. Do stay tuned. Thank you.